Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, March the 6th, 2024. We have here in this additional seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. We have here the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them. I will solve 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright. The first one I will solve is the 3-star Sudoku. Well, actually, it's not a 3 stars. By the way, this is puzzle number 8138. Usually, the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, this puzzle has not 25 printed digits. It has 27 printed digits. Should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright? So, let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick? How about? The 3 in this column, the 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left, 3 should be here, or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in that row, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 here, I should be there. Alright. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers in the middle column is number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 in that box. So the 4 in the middle column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 4 in this row, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright, and now. Then, how about the number? The number. Need a 1 here. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the last column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the last column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 in the middle row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Alright. Okay. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, no, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, no, only 2 places left, the 4 should be here. Or there, we have a 4 in this row, last row. No 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright, 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for 9 should be there. Alright. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in the second column. No 3 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left on 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so on the third row. The only place left on 3 should be here. Then 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left with 1 should be here. Yeah. How about the number 2, 4, 2, 4, 3, 8, 6, 7. Well, in the last column, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 5. We have 9 and a 5 in the last in this big square. So no 9 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 9 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 5, 9 and 5. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. All right. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be in the 6 goes there. All right. 2. 9 in the first row. 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column. 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 9, okay. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 2. Should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the column between, the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. 1 box left in the middle column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5, 5. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. 1 box left in the third row for number the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Well, cannot fill this yet. That means 1 digit left is 6, I believe. Yeah. 6, 6. Here. 1, need a 1 here. No, 1 and a 5. 1, 5, and the 7. Need a 7 here. Okay, and now. No. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column 3. No, only place 11, 5. Should be there. One, 2, 3, 6. 3, 6, 7. With all the 4s? Nope. Well, About the 3, 3, 3. No, need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. Come on. Need a 4 here. And I need a 6 there, yeah. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 goes together with the 8 as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 1 and 4. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and 8, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. And 6 and 8, we have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2 is missing. No, we already have a 2. Almost made a mistake. We have a double 2 here. Come on. Let me recount this. 1 box left for number 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing here. Here, we need a 5 there. Alright. 7 and a 5, we have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. 5. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there, so the 7 could be here, could be there. Need a 1 here also. Well, one, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have 7 in this row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. So we have a 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. Alright. 3, 6, and need a 5 here. Well, we need a 5 in this row. Here can be 5, we have 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have 5 in the third column, no 5 there. So the only place left for 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. 1 is missing, and a 6, I believe. Yeah, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 3 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, I believe the 7 and a 6. Well, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and a 5, I believe. 1 and a 5 cannot fill this yet. Here, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. Faster than 50 minutes, yeah. Definitely a 1 star. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. The binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and the 4-star Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.